Doge rejected off a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Doge, we have failed to break above a very key resistance level here at 11 cents. In yesterday's video, I mentioned, of course, the fact that it's going to be very important for Doge to try to take control of these levels, but we could be expecting a nice pullback opportunity because of the fact that we were in an overbought scenario. Right now, Doge is retesting these exponential moving averages, but in my opinion, it does look like that formation like we saw over at the 16 level, which I'll show you guys in a second. Of course, on the 4-hour time frames, if we do get a clean break below these exponential moving averages and then a continuation to the downside, we could be looking for a massive move, possibly retesting our overall support here at 0.08. Now, looking at the previous price analysis, you can see that we had kind of the same sort of formation where Doge actually created a very nice high around that 15-cent mark and then had that retracement and then the confirmation for that liquidity grab and then the move set to the downside. Right now, looking at that pattern compared to the pattern we see right now, it's kind of similar, but I did want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, is the fact that although we didn't quite break above that 0.11 level, doesn't mean the fact that we will not continue pushing on higher. As long as Doge does trade above these exponential moving averages, we do have some strong bullish engulfing candles kind of being formed, so there is definitely that volume aspect of it. Number two, of course, is the fact that even though we might see a pullback going back down to the 0.08, you can see that that 0.08 level did act as a very strong resistance point. Doge actually failed to break above that level 4 times before we finally saw the test on the 5th opportunity. So this could definitely be the same sort of situation where we actually go and retest that support line for 3 or 4 times before that continuation, looking to break above that resistance. On the hourly time frames for Doge, you can see that we are pretty much below the exponential moving averages. And in yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that there is a BART formation in play. If we do get a clean break below these levels right here around the 0.099, we could be looking for that BART formation to play out and possibly looking to retest that 0.093 once again. This is why I'm leaning towards a more of a larger pullback on Doge, obviously eyeing that level of 0.08. I am still, of course, long-term bearish on Doge. I don't think we necessarily found the bottom just yet, but I did mention the fact that when we were around that 0.07, the fact that there are a ton of shorting positions open at this level, we could be expecting a nice short squeeze opportunity, possibly rising all the way to that 0.124, and then the continuation hitting that daily support here at the 0.05. Speaking about the daily time frames, I did want to talk about 2 things. Number one, of course, is the fact that we do have a very clean confirmation here. You can see that the moveset and the take profit levels are beautiful. We are having a very nice, strong bearish engulfing candle forming. And number 2 is the fact that if we do see a bearish engulfing candle on the daily again form and hit that 0.08, that would look like the moveset is pretty much done. After a long time, Doge is above these exponential moving averages, but if we do see that retest and actually break below these EMAs, that would give us the confirmation that we are heading back into lower territory, and this was just another bull trap opportunity. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.